Sushi net roll. Sushi net roll. I already said that. Yo, onion bean looking. Yo! You already know what it is, man. Anyway. Yo! What is up? Hey, for real though. Hold on. I'm tripping.
This song goes out to the truckers. Man, I feel bad for all you motherfuckers.
My bad. Sorry for that song. But today I will be getting on the Monkey app. I ain't been on this app in like a year or something. But I will be getting on the Monkey app and basically asking females to rate me on a scale of 1 to 10. And I don't care if I get like 1, I'm gonna be like, hey, you trying to, you know what you're trying to do, type, you know. Alright, bet. So that we finna do now. Alright. Up on the screen after I find the app. Oh, here you go. So, boom. Screen record. 3, 2, 1. You got me on record? Girls have a higher risk than getting. Research says that elephants are not loud. Hey, I'm good. 15. I should have took that. Oh. Hey, look here, you not, hold on. They think this is a game. I'm finna be the one to, 18. Yo, add more time.
I am.
What's up with you? So I'm doing a YouTube video right now, and you just got in it. So I'm finna ask you like 2 questions.
What?
I'm finna ask you 2 questions. Are you listening? Are you listening? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
7.
A 7? Is that good? Oh shit! All right, so check this out. You rate me a 7. You probably about a good 10. So what you trying to do? Hmm. Oh fuck! Hey, hold on, y'all gotta teach me how to play. Alright. Glad. Yo, goddamn souffle looking at. Okay. Not me! Yo, what's up with y'all? Add more time. Oh, what's up with y'all? Nah, I just want to tell y'all I'm on a YouTube video right now. Y'all on a YouTube video.
All around me are familiar faces.
Hey man, this ain't going with her, bruh. I hate it. Banana float on water, as do apples. Hey, chill out, bro. I don't know why I'm brushing my. Get your cinnamon bun. Sushi net roll. Oh, she 18.
Hello?
Yo, you on an Android?
No, I am. Oh, fuck! What are you talking about?
Add more time. What's up with you?
Not much. What's up with you?
Nah, I just want to tell you on the YouTube YouTube video right now. So
Hey, what's up?
add me as a friend on Snapchat so you can see yourself in the YouTube video. But so
Alright,
I was
we don't subscribe.
on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me? And be real, like be real.
You said rate you?
Rate me, yeah.
Alright, 1 through what? 1 through what?
1 through 10.
1 through 10. Alright, 8. I'll give you an 8. Yeah.
Oh shit. So what y'all trying to do?
Question mark?
What y'all trying to do?
What to talk about?
Nah, what y'all trying to do?
What you mean?
Y'all heard a real sister about future? What y'all trying to do? Hey, shit, everything got that cut my ass out. Hey, yo, sushi net room. I already said that. Yo, onion bean looking. Oh, so she Amber 22. What's up with you, Amber?
I'm not Amber. I'm Amber.
Oh shit.
That's
Hey.
Amber.
So who you?
Diamond.
Add more time. On a scale of 1 to 10. Wait, y'all sisters or some shit?
Yeah.
I think on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
10.
Oh,
Yeah, 10.
a 10.
I love you. This is what I need to say to you. You look so beautiful. I want to have sex with you. Alright?
So what y'all trying to do is YouTube video. Y'all just got on YouTube video, so y'all need to add me on Snapchat. So, hey, 15. Yo, goddamn. Tyler back. Hey, this young lame, bro. She just hung up in my face like a lame, bro. I don't like that junk, bro. And I don't know why I'm talking a lot, but I'm just feeling real good tonight. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm on the Monkey app. Get like me. What's up with you?
Hey.
What's up?
Nothing.
Yeah, what? Oh, hold on. What's going on? That motherfucker. Hey, hold on. Let me pull this back up. Hold on, cause I'm tripping. What am I iPad? Boom. And I'm back. Strawberries are not berries. Remember that. Oh shit.
Okay, why can't I be?
You want me to put some of my special seasoning?
Yo, add more time.
Hey, what's up? Huh?
Add more time. Sushi roll, look at that. I keep saying sushi roll. Come on. Oh. She just got. I don't like this. Hold on. With your watermelon seed looking at. Pumpkin pat looking at. Ranch dressing. Salt shaker looking at. Malt liker looking at. Hey, I got a 10, bro. You know, I was that cute. Man, I thought y'all nigga was ugly, bro. I thought y'all nigga was ugly. Hey. Draco. Yeah, Draco. Your name Draco?
Y'all, my bitch is better than yours. Like, look at that.
Hey, add more
No,
time.
they're not. I just fucking with them. Look at them. You're fat.
I still love you.
Hey man, that shit just picked. What you call me? Hey, hell nah, bro. Finna goddamn end this joint. Bro, that joint, she gonna call me fat. She don't even know me, man. How she gonna do that, bro? I'm going to diet, bro. For real, bro.